Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. This week in one of my classes, we got talking about common scams, and a student was reporting on something that happened to her recently, where she received an email that purported to be from her bank. And she said she was very nearly taken in by it because it looked very believable. They'd designed the email in exactly the same style as her bank's emails usually were designed in. And she said the only way she worked out that it was actually a scam was before she clicked on one of the links on it, she decided to check the email address it had been sent from. And when she saw the email address, it was something like abcxyz12345@gmail.com. In other words, it was a dead giveaway. If you describe something as a dead giveaway, or just a giveaway, but dead giveaway often emphasizes the word, it basically means it's something that clearly shows the truth about something else. So, for example, living in London, usually if I see someone wearing checked golfing trousers, walking around with a very large camera, it's a dead giveaway that they must be a tourist of some kind. Maybe if someone is lying to you, the way that you know is that they don't look you in the eye when they're talking to you. That can be a dead giveaway. If you ever go on holiday to Italy, where regional food and regional variation in the cuisine is very important, if you find a restaurant that's offering dishes which are not typical to that particular region, it's usually a dead giveaway that it's basically a bit of a tourist trap. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use a dead giveaway.